welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger ad preview that's going to start on Wednesday, February 2nd of 2022, and we'll go through Tuesday, the 8th of February of 2022. And this is week 2 of our buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. We're going to have brand new weekly digital deals and a whole bunch of other things. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And, if you are interested in seeing this ad yourself, I will link where I got this from KrogerCrazy.com in the description box below. So definitely check this ad out for yourself if you'd like to see it. Okay, so starting out, as you can see on the right side of the screen, we have weekly digitals that are popping up. We do have some produce and meat deals there on the left side of the screen. Those will vary from region to region. This one's a little bit closer to my region, so this is probably going to be closer to what I will see normally. I like to use Kroger Crazy over the Lady Savers just because it's closer to what I normally see because she's up in Ohio and I'm in Kentucky. It is a different region than mine, though. So definitely know that it could vary if you are in my region. All right, looking at those weekly digital deals, we see the Johnsonville smoked sausage for $3.27 each. A little early to get ready for summer. I'm thinking like grilling out type of thing. However, if you have a freezer that has room, grab them and freeze them and you're ready to go. We also have the bag of potatoes for just $1.47. We're seeing those quite often now. I've noticed that. Ooh, super excited about this. The milk, half gallons of milk are going to be just 87 cents each. That is a great deal, one of my favorites. It kind of goes with the eggs this week, 97-cent eggs that we have in the current week, but 87-cent half gallon of milk. We will definitely grab all 5 of those and probably be through them in the week because my kids drink milk like crazy. What's funny, though, is I hate milk, so I never drink it, but I always buy it for my kids. All right, 4 for $12 over there on the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or Canada Dry 6-packs. A little bummed about that. Would like to see those prices go down more. I know we have seen them as low as 4 for $10, but I don't know that we're going to see that anytime soon. Back over to weekly digitals, we have the 18-count Simple Truth organic eggs for $3.97. Scroll down a little bit more here so we can see the rest of this. And then the Frito-Lay's Simply Snacks for $1.97 each, as well as the Kroger orange juice for $2.77. So big gallon of Kroger orange juice. We also have some deals going on with the mega sale. Now, if you have not seen my mega sale videos that are out for the current week, you definitely need to go check those out. Most of those deals should be good all the way through the 8th. Unless for some reason the coupons expire or the rebate app disappears. Not app disappears, but the rebate in the apps disappear. It looks like the Kraft Singles cheese is staying the same. So the last time we had a mega sale, it dropped an extra 50 cents in week 2. It does not look like that's going to be the case this week. It will stay the same. Nothing else is jumping out at me. So let's keep going down here to the next page. Okay, we have the alcohol deals on the left-hand side of the screen. I will not read any of those, so feel free to hit the pause button and stare at those. Look at those. I'm losing my brain today, guys. I'm sorry. 3 for $13 on your 12 packs of cans there. Buy one, get one free on the Sargento cheese. Of course, we have coupons we could pair with that. 2 for $5 on your Lay's. Trying to see if anything else kind of sticks out at me. All right. So I wanted to see what this freebie deal is here. The Bush's Best Baked or Grilling Beans, 2 for $4. Buy 2. You're going to get your buns for free there. Okay. So there you go on that. We had a great deal this current week on the Velveeta cheese. If you haven't seen that deal, I have it in my Must Do Deals video. Go check that video out. Buy 2, get 1 free on your Reese's or Hershey's bars there. We have some Knorr or some Chef Boyardee or Del Monte canned things, 10 for $10. Let's see. All right, coming back up here to the buy 5, save $1 or more mega sale. $1 each mega sale, I should say. So we have, I'm not seeing prices change. At least nothing's jumping out at me as a price change. Let me know in the comments if you see anything. Of Of course, like always, if you see a deal or you know a coupon that's coming up, leave that and I will give you a shout out in the next video I do. We also have a deal. It looks like Clorox event. Spend 15, get $5 e-gift card on Clorox products. Now we have week 2 of the Huggies deal that is happening here where you spend $26.99 on one of these boxes of Huggies and you're getting a free wipe there, and it's a big like 300 and something count wipe there. So if you have not seen, again, my deal, we hit this even better than $26.99. You actually save quite a bit of money. So go check out my must do deals video on that one. Buy 2 get 1 free for your eye or lip cosmetics there. Okay. We have some other miscellaneous deals over there. Valentine's deals are happening this week, guys. We are into February by this time, and so we need to start thinking about Valentine's Day. Do you have anyone special? In the comments below, let me know if you are buying for anyone special. Of course, I've got my husband, and I have 3 kiddos, so I'm definitely looking for some fun, sweet deals. My husband and I, we don't do a lot of big things. We just usually do like some little bit of candy and something for fun. The kids, I get a couple toys for and some candy. It's not too big, but it's something fairly simple. So let me know if you've got any good ideas in the comments below. And then the last thing is more weekly digital deals on the far left-hand side of the screen there. You have the candlelight candles for $6.97. We have a deal on the Bic Soleil or the Bic Flex razors there for $2.97. So if we have any coupons, a lot of times we can have 3 off coupons, 3 off 1 coupons. If that's the case, if those are available, you could possibly be getting these for free, which would be awesome. So I will definitely be looking into that and letting you know. We also have a deal on the Simple Truth organic strawberries or blueberries for $9.77 each. Right, let's look at the back part of the ad to see if there's anything interesting here. Now, again, this is going to be a lot of more like produce at the top and then more meats at the bottom of this particular part of the ad. It can vary from region to region, so take that into consideration as you are looking at this. Blueberries are $2.99. Those are for the organic ones. Strawberries will be $2.99 as well. Okay, come down here to bakery. So 2 for $10 on your Home Chef whole roasted 8-piece chicken or 5-piece tenders. And, you know, like always, you could probably do a better deal at like a Sam's Club or Costco, that type of thing. Especially for the roasted chicken, the whole roasted chicken. You can get probably 2 or 3 times that size for $5. And we all know that we're saving money. We want to save that money. Let's see. And you don't have to buy 2, that's for sure. Crunchy combo box there for my husband is obsessed with he loves that sushi stuff. I am not a fan. All right, let's keep going. I'm not a sushi person, you know. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. All right, looking at more meat deals there. You got some breaded shrimp there for $3.99. Again, nothing really jumping out as amazing deal. Buy 1 get 1 free on the Hormel marinated boneless pork tenderloins. That could be a decent deal there because you'll get, it says items will scan 50% off with card. Okay, so maybe you only have to buy 1 if it's going to scan 50% off. I don't know. We'll see. Greenfield bacon there, $5.99. Bob Evans side dishes are 2 for $7. You have Johnsonville's breakfast sausage there for $3.99. Boneless London broil for $5.99 and assorted pork chops for $2.99 per pound. All right. Scooting on down here, let's talk about mega sale items. All right, guys, this is the mega sale deal. This will be week 2 of the mega sale deal. What we're looking for in this ad preview are price changes. If anything is going to go up or down, anything new probably isn't going to jump out at us. Generally, things generally things are not added to the mega sale. Now, sometimes they are taken off the mega sale. It's rare though, but prices can change. I'm not seeing anything jump out at me too much there. Now, that's interesting. So those craft singles right there are $3.49. That's the 24 count though. The other ones we looked at were the 16 count. Interesting. Okay. I may not have been aware that they both were on mega sale. I don't know. Nothing's saying it's super exciting here. Let me know what you're thinking about mega sale, about inflation, prices going up. I know savings are savings. We're still getting good deals. I know it can be frustrating when you know you could have purchased this just a year ago at a different price. But what are your thoughts on all of it? Okay. All right. So there are the mega sale items there on that page. Let's keep going down here. More mega sale items for you to look at. Okay, so Crystal Light there is going to be $1.49. I think I put in my must-do deals video, and I have the updated deals because we also have a Kroger cashback with it, that you can get these as low as 89 cents this current week, and I was hoping, fingers crossed, that we were going to see a price deduction on the Crystal Light go down to 99 cents. That obviously is not happening according to this ad, so you're good to go ahead and grab 5 of them this week if you want to, and use your 50-cent off Ibotta plus 10 cents off Kroger cashback, getting them for 89 cents each. Let's see. Anything else here? All right, something that's sticks out to me, the Two Good yogurt's going to be $4.99 for that. I love grabbing those. That's a good price on that. They're normally $6.99, so you're saving $2 on the original price. Continue to go down. And there we go. I think that's, oh, nope, that's not it. We've got more. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. We have more to the ad. We have some Simple Truth type things here. Your natural and organics. Unfortunately, our digital 5-time digital sale that was going on the whole month of January for the Simple Truth and the natural organic stuff, that is over this week. So if you want to grab any of those deals, you need to go get them before Wednesday. Okay. We do have a deal on the Quest protein or snack bars for $7.99. I don't think that's a great deal. I think they're only $8.99. And the Ibotta rebates are gone, at least for now. Maybe they'll come back. Anything you see that's exciting, let me know. Buy 2, get 1 free on your Simple Truth organic spices there. And coming on down, we've got some more deals. Like, the ad is not going to end. They do have some additional savings here. So like the gold bond, it looks like you're going to get a digital coupon for $1 off there. So it was showing $10.99 is the price, so you can get it for $9.99. The Gillette there, let's see, the Gillette, $24.99, and it says additional savings of $5 off. Now I don't know if that's $5 off for one razor or if it's 5 off 2 or something like that, but you can get some savings, it looks like. Soft soap, $5.99. We're going to have an additional coupon of 3 off, which my guess is probably 3 off 2, but maybe I'm wrong. We also have the Garnier Nutrice or hair color. Looks like the Olay there. $8.49 with $1 off 1 digital. More deals. I like the fact they're showing the matchups for your digital coupons, except the only problem with some of those is they go ahead and factor that into your cost. So they know that they're going to get, like, for instance, the soft soap foaming tablet or refill tablets there for $4.99. They are going to put off that 2 off digital. Now, again, we're not seeing if it's 2 off 2, 2 off 1, that type of thing. So they do factor that into what those sales are going to be for you. Head and Shoulders, $8.49. That's going to probably be a 2 off 1 coupon there. So you can get those for $6.49. Colgate Kids Power Toothbrush for $5.99. $1 off 1 coupon there. So you could grab those for $4.99. Colgate Kids Toothpaste for $4.49. They have $1 off 1 digital coming. And then an Old Spice Body Wash for $7.99 with $1 off digital coming. And Boost, don't forget about Boost, free delivery or 2 times the fuel points. I'm like, this thing has got to end soon. Let me know if you're doing the Boost membership. Do you like it? Is it worth it? Let us know in the comments if that's something that might be something that we want to kind of start talking about. Um, is the what is worth it at Kroger, what is not? Are you interested in that kind of like discussion there? So Boost, let me know more about it. I personally have not signed up for the Boost. I don't do delivery. I hardly ever do pickup. I think I've only done pickup for Kroger like once or twice. And that was just because I was getting a deal, not because I really wanted to not go into the store. I'm pretty much at Kroger every other day getting something or checking something out. So I don't really see a point of doing delivery or pickup just because I can just run in and get it myself. And I feel more comfortable when I'm in control of the deals myself as opposed to, giving somebody else a list and hoping that they grab the right items or hoping that the coupons come off and things like that. I like to have more of a, um, control of the situation myself. So let me know in the comments what you're thinking there. All right, guys, if you liked this ad preview, give it a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you're from. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.